If you need to split first and last names in Excel, there are 4 methods depending on your version and needs. I'll walk through each one so you can pick what works best. The first method is text to columns, which is the quickest option if your names are simple. Select the column with your full names, for example, cells A2 to A10. Switch to the Data tab in the ribbon, which sits between Formulas and Review. Click on Text to Columns in the Data Tools section. In Step 1 of the wizard, select Delimited as your data type. This lets you use space as the separator. Click Next. In Step 2, select the Space checkbox. If you think there might be extra spaces between names, also select Treat Consecutive Delimiters as 1. Click Next. In Step 3, you'll see a Destination field. If you leave this blank, Excel will overwrite your original data. If you want to keep the original column intact, click in the Destination field and select a different cell, like C2. Click Finish. The first names appear in one column and last names in the next. If you need something more dynamic that updates automatically, the second method uses formulas. Click on the cell where you want the first name, like B2. Type the formula, equals left, open parentheses, A2, comma, find, open parentheses, space, comma, A2, close parentheses, -1, close parentheses. Press Enter. Drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, down to copy the formula. Now click on C2 for the last name. Type equals, right, open parenthesis, A2, comma, len, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, minus, find, open parenthesis, space, comma, A2, close parenthesis, press Enter, and drag the fill handle down. The formulas will split the names and update automatically if you change the source data. If you're on Excel 2013 or later, Flash Fill is another option. Add a new column next to your names and type a header like first name. In cell B2, manually type the first name from A2. So if A2 says John Smith, type John. Press Enter and move to B3. Start typing the next first name. Excel should detect the pattern and show you a gray preview of the rest. Hit Enter to accept it. Repeat the same steps in another column for last names. If Flash Fill doesn't trigger automatically, click Flash Fill under the Data tab. The last method only works in Excel 365 or Excel 2021 and later. It's called Text Split. Click on cell B2 and type equals text split, open parentheses, A2, comma, space, close parentheses. Press Enter. Excel instantly splits the text by spaces and spills the results across multiple columns automatically. Text to columns and Flash Fill insert static values that won't update if you change the original names. If your data changes often, use the formula method or text split instead. Also note that if names contain middle names or initials, text to columns will split them into a third column. Adjust your formulas accordingly if needed. That's how to split names in Excel.